Here you've got Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then click on About Phone and reach All Specification. Here you've got New Version, so you need to tap on it 7 times. And now you're a developer. Let's go back. Developer options can be found under Additional Settings. Here they are, and now you can smoothly use all of them. So whenever you'd like to apply any of those features, smoothly use the switchers and it will be applied. Then you can turn it off the same way. To turn developer options off, just unmark the stop switcher and they are no longer active. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.